Okay. Shall we continue? Subject and verb agreement quiz. Okay, please read and choose the right one. Let me make it.
Every one of the
1 second. Let me make it little more bigger. Okay. Yeah. Try.
every one of the shirts has a green collar.
Mm-hmm.
Every one of the shirts have a green collar.
Yeah.
First option.
First option. Okay. Every one of the shirts. Okay, has a green collar. Okay, every one. Even though it is talking about a whole, but it has a unique separate identity, like every one, each one is important, so it is considered as singular. Every one of the shirts has a green collar. Okay, and second one.
The singer, along with the officials, play the
Mhm. Harmonica.
harmon- harmonica on stage.
Mhm.
The singer, along with few others, plays the harmonica on the stage.
Okay.
First option.
First option. Okay, this singer, comma, along with a few others, uh, play the harmonica on stage. Uh, Actually, yeah, this is little tricky. There is a comma. The singer, along with few others, play the harmonica on stage. The singer here plays. You go for the first option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and third one.
Sandals and towels are essential
Mm-hmm.
gear for a trip to the beach.
Uh-huh.
Sandals and towels are essential gear for a trip to the beach.
Okay. Yeah. Sandals and towels.
First
Ah,
option.
first option. Okay. Sandals and towels are essential gear for a trip to the beach. Fourth one.
The president of the vice president are speaking today.
Mm-hmm.
The president or the vice president is speaking today.
Yeah. Which one is the correct
Second
answer?
option.
Second option, right? Yeah. The president or the vice president is speaking today. Okay. Fifth one.
Either Tracy or Mary praised the employees this afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
Either Tracy or Mary paid the employee this afternoon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
First option.
Yes. Because either or is considered as singular, right? Yeah. Actually, this site has some copyright. Uh, I think we won't be able to check the answer. Oh, okay. Yeah, sixth one.
Either the sculpture or the paintings are in museum today. Either the sculpture or the paintings is in museum today.
Yeah,
First option.
first option. Either the sculpture or the paintings are first or second option.
First, because one plural and singular. It agrees with the latest sculpture paintings.
Yeah, one is singular and one is plural, right? Either the sculpture or the paintings. Okay, yeah. So when we studied what was the rule? The
When either or or neither nor is used, and
singular.
one is plural and one is singular,
Okay.
it agrees to the nearest subject.
Yeah. Okay. And we will go for the first one. Okay. Here, either the sculpture or the paintings are in the museum today. Okay. Seventh one.
The coat or the hats are in the closet.
Mm-hmm.
The coat or the hat is that closet.
Okay.
First
Uh,
option.
okay. First option. The coat or the hats are in that closet, right? Okay. Eighth one.
Neither she nor I is getting the lunch special.
Mm-hmm.
Neither she nor I am getting the lunch special.
Mm-hmm.
Neither she nor I are getting for lunch today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Which one is the right one?
B.
B, right? Yeah, because
Yes.
yeah, so the this auxiliary verb am agrees with the subject which is very closer to that, that is I. So I agrees with am. I am getting the lunch. Neither she nor I am getting the lunch special. So B is the B will be the answer. Okay. Ninth one.
Each of the dancers
Twirls.
whirls brilliantly.
Yeah, twirls.
Whirls brilliant. Each of the dancers whirl brilliantly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Which one?
First option.
Yeah, each. Right. So it is considered as singular. Twirls. S or es plus the verb. Okay. And tenth one.
Mustard beans are my favorite vegetable. Mustard beans is my favorite vegetable. Second
Mm-hmm.
option.
Yeah, mustard greens is my favorite vegetable. Okay. Oh, it's going. Okay. Yeah. Last one. 11th one.
Everybody at the party was enjoying the food. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
at the party were enjoying the food.
Mm-hmm.
First option.
Yeah, everybody is considered as singular. Okay. Great quiz. Okay. Um, yeah, there is an explanation too. Yeah, the pronoun one is singular and requires singular verb. Okay, that is correct. And second one, uh, see, second one was little tricky. Uh, but yeah, so you were right. No, see, this actually, I said, there is a comma. Correct answer is B. Your answer is A, right? So second one I said, the singer, there is a comma. Along with a few others, there is a comma. Okay, comma has very importance. Yesterday or day before yesterday, when we were discussing clauses, uh, there is a comma after the noun, then comes the relative pronoun with the relative clause. So in that case, if we put a comma, then we are limiting. If there is no comma, it means all. So here, the singer, comma, along with a few others. Sometimes the subject is separated from the verb by words such as along with, as well as, besides or not. Ignore these expressions when determining whether to use a singular or plural verb. Okay, ignore these expressions after a comma. Okay, so along with, as well as, so you so that's why correct answer is um, the singer. This singer is third person singular, so it agrees with the third person singular verb plays. Okay. Okay, and third one is correct. So two subjects connected by and require a plural verb. Okay, so that is very simple rule. And fourth one, uh, two singular subjects connected by or require a singular subject. Okay, and either or, neither or require a singular verb. That's fine. And sixth one, see, when a singular and plural subject are connected by or either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Okay, here the verb is closer to the noun paintings, which is plural, which is in plural, so it agrees with that plural noun are. Okay, so seventh one is also same like sixth one. Eighth one is also like it agrees with I plus am. Each is singular. Mustard greens, oh, that is wrong, that is, I think, see, mustard greens are my favorite vegetable. That is the correct answer. Actually, see, greens is plural. Mustard greens is plural and requires the plural verb, not mustard green. Okay, mustard greens, so that was wrong. Okay, and 11th one was right. Okay, yeah. We will go to the second one. I think this one we have done, right?
Yes, I have done it.
Yeah, this one we have done during the class, I think. Do you want it? Do it again? Or
Yeah, we can do it
again? Right? Okay, okay. Okay, then try, read the sentence, and we can do quickly so that we can do more. Hmm?
Carlos is the only one of the students who takes lived up to the potential described in the yearbook.
Okay. Carlos is the only
Has,
one, half, right? What did you say? Have or has?
has, has,
Carlos is the only one of those students who, okay, and we are talking about one, not all the students, who has, you are right, okay, not have. Don't confuse with this
yeah,
student, yeah, don't confuse with these students. Carlos is the only one of those students. We are talking about the only one of, not all the students. Okay, and second one,
the International Club as well as the Choral Society and the Rowing Club. They submit a new constitution.
the International Club as well as the Choral Society and the Rowing Club wish to submit a new constitution. Okay, what were your
Second
answer?
option.
Second one, yes. Okay, yeah, as well as, right? And is there,
Agrees with
but
the first subject.
yeah. Actually, the International Club as well as the Choral Society and the Rowing Club, there is a comma. According to the previous rule, second is the answer. Let me try second or first.
I will the second only.
Huh?
It is the
Yeah,
second one because usually it is the first subject.
yeah. So you are right. Okay. So there is a comma as well as is there and is there. So we have to ignore these expressions. Okay, third one.
One of my best friends days an extra on Stanfield this week
Mhm.
is
Is, right? Yeah, we are talking about one. Okay, you're right. And fourth one.
not only the student but also the instructor.
Mhm.
They spin to the principal's office.
Mhm. Which one?
Has
Yeah, not only but also is also considered as singular. Okay. Not only the students but also their instructor has been.
it
Uh,
agrees with the second subject.
yeah, but also their instructor. Yeah, has. You are right. Okay. And fifth one.
Most of the milk they've gone bad
Mhm.
has gone bad. 6 gallons of milk
Mhm.
are still in the refrigerator. First option.
Yeah. Most of the milk has gone bad. 6 gallons of milk are. Okay, you're right. Sixth one.
Each and every student and instructor in this building pays for a new facility by next year.
Mhm.
Hope. Second option.
Yeah, each and every student, right? And instructor in this building. Oh, there is a conjunction here.
It is first option.
Uh,
First option.
yes. Oh, uh, okay. Okay, the explanation is subject of the verb is each and every, which is singular. The correct verb choice then is hops. Okay, that is their explanation, but yeah, each and every student. Okay, okay. Actually, what was my problem? So we have to take like this. Each and every student and instructor. So every student and instructor. So it is one. Okay, each and every. Uh, so I thought, okay, if you take the whole each and every student separately, then and is a coordinating conjunction, then instructor. If you take like that, then it is hop, but not like that. Each and every. Okay, so that is what in inverted comma. Each and every, which is singular. So hops is the answer. Okay. Seventh one.
The students and instructor each pays for a new facility by next year.
Mhm.
First option.
The students and instructors each. First option. But I think students is also plural, instructors plural. Students, one category, instructors each. Uh, yes, hop. Okay. Did you get the point? There is a
Yes, sir.
yeah, there is a word. Each is there, but we have, see, in students different entity, instructor different entity. Okay, but students are also given in plural, instructors are also given in plural. Students each, instructors each. So that is why the is plural, hop. And eighth one,
Rice and beans, that's my favorite dish. That's
mhm,
me of a native Puerto Rico.
mhm.
Beans, second option.
Yeah, rice and beans. Yeah, Ri- uh, rice and beans. Explanation. Rice and
It's a
beans.
single.
Yeah, it's one dish. Okay, so we need a singular verb to agree with. Okay,
A
ninth
large
one.
number of voters still days along the state party lines.
Mhm. Yeah,
Second option.
a large number of otters still ought. Yeah. Okay. A large number of otters. That's the plural. Okay, and tenth one.
4 years, that's a long time to spend away from your friends and family.
Mhm.
Is
Yeah, 4 years is a long time to spend away from your 4 years. You are right. So we will check the explanation. Okay, the quantity of 4 years here is meant to be taken as a whole. 4 years you have to taken as a whole, as one quantity. Okay, 4 years is a long time. Okay, and 11th one.
politics is sometimes a dirty business.
Mhm. Is right.
Politics
Yeah.
is
So all the names of science, including politics, economics, mathematics. Okay.
maths,
Yeah, maths. Consider.
physics.
Yeah, physics. Good. Yeah. Okay. And 12th one.
One outsider, the economics of the country based in the to be in this way.
Mm-hmm.
Second option.
Yes. Economics is considered as singular, so seems right. Pop. Okay. We will check the. Okay. Here. Yeah. This is actually here. I also didn't think that actually I was very quick. Economics of this country. I think during the class we have discussed this one. So here economics of this country means is not as a subject. Here the economics of this country. That means जो things which is related to economics or related to money or related to the budget and all the India's GDP, the income and all things comes. Okay, this is not the subject name. Okay, economics of this country. Okay, that is why it is seen. Okay, here is considered as plural. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, yeah, that is done. Start now. Yeah, it's too small. Let me make it bigger. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir. All of the guests gone to the concert in the park. All of the guests
Yeah, all of the guests.
has
Okay, we will just read. Choose the correct verb for each sentence below. You will only be able to take this quiz one time. Read carefully, find the subject or the subjects in each sentence. Ask yourself if the subject is singular or plural. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Remember that singular verb ends in yes or yes. Okay, all of the guess. What did you say?
Head.
Good. Okay, second one.
Your hands and
Yeah.
feet.
Okay, one second.
They
One second.
slip
Yeah, one
half
second. Yeah, one second. Why did you choose had? Simple only, but I just asked.
because guest is plural, so it can't, all of the guests is plural, so it can't go with has.
Yeah, we cannot take has. Okay. Yeah. It's not nothing to do with present or past. So we have only two options and one is wrong. So that's why we go for the second one. Okay. Second question.
Your hands and feet nearly that's nearly half the bones in your body.
Mhm.
Your hands and
Yeah, your
second,
hand. Which one? First or second?
second option.
Yeah, your hands and feet, right? Okay. And third one?
Rain or sleet is predicted for tomorrow.
Good. Fourth one?
Each of the Girl Scouts there's a community service project. Does
Good. Fifth one?
everybody at the 4th of July parade there's an carrying an American flag.
Mhm.
Was
Good. Sixth one?
either string beans or broccoli.
Yeah.
That's my favorite subject. Is
Uh-huh. Yeah, either or is right. And broccoli maybe. Yeah. Okay, seventh one.
some of the forest there's patches of poison ivy.
Okay. Yeah, which one?
Have
Yeah,
has
some.
has
No, 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 no. Some of the forest, some, some comes in uh, some of the people, some of them have. Okay, some. Some is considered as plural. Anyway, we will check it again. Okay, eighth one.
my mother and my sister. They watch TV except for evening news.
Mm-hmm.
Do not.
Which one?
Second,
Uh, yes, my mother and sister. Second option. Don't, right? Okay, and ninth one.
gold coins and silver bars. They found in the sunken pirate ship.
Mm-hmm.
Where
Where? Okay. Tenth one.
any of those tell they find.
Is okay, and 11th one.
Most of the newspaper is
Okay. Most.
someone at a
Wait. Most of the newspaper. Most is also considered plural, I think. Most of the newspaper. Uh, that is it. Okay. I have a doubt. I don't know. We will check. You said is right?
is
Okay. And 12.
someone at a stable. There's the horses every evening.
Mm-hmm.
Rooms.
Yeah, grooms. Okay, and 13.
Days he doesn't have the directions.
Mhm. Which one?
Doesn't.
Doesn't.
First option.
Yeah, doesn't. Doesn't he have the directions? Okay, 14th one.
Trumpet or a played excitement in a music.
Yeah, flute. Trumpets or a flute
Yes.
creates excitement in music. Okay, 15th one.
Several of the field hockey players also takes the track team.
Mhm. Yeah,
Belong
yes, belong. It's a plural, right? Yeah, and 6th.
neither the lion tamers nor the clowns.
Mhm.
They're singing any autographs tonight.
Mhm.
Are
Yeah, clown. Oh, okay, 17th
the
one.
books and the books and the magazine days placed on the table.
Mhm.
Where
Yeah, the books and the magazine were placed. Okay, and 18th.
Phobos and Deimos, these two moons of Mars, are
Yeah, Phobos and Deimos are the two moons of Mars. 19th.
few of the apartments days ever vacant at this time of year.
Mhm.
Is
Few of the apartments. Uh, it will be R. What do you think? Few of the apartments. We are not telling that it is one. We don't know the number. A few. Few means okay. Anyway, we will check. Okay, 20.
both of my pencils, there's some eraser.
Hmm.
Have
Yes. Yeah. Both actually is plural. Okay. We will check. Okay. Question number 7 is incorrect. Wow. 10 incorrect. Okay. See, after 11, 12, 13, 14, all correct. That means we were discussing, I don't know, we can check. Okay, yeah, it's there. Okay, all of the guess that is correct. Second is correct. Third is correct. Fourth is correct. Fifth is correct. Sixth is correct. Okay. Yeah. Some of the forest. Some is one of the five indefinite pronouns whose number depends on the object of the prepositional phrase following it. Okay, some is one of the five indefinite pronouns whose number depends on the object of the prepositional phrase. Object of the prepositional phrase. The patches of poison ivy, this is a prepositional phrase. Okay, phrase means more than one word. Okay, there is a preposition, so that is why it is a prepositional phrase. Okay, and the prepositional phrase uh, whose number depends on the object of the prepositional phrase following it. But I don't know the logic. Okay, let me Let me note it down and okay, some. Okay. Yeah, eighth one is correct. 9 is correct. Okay. Any of those nail. Any is one of the 5 indefinite pronouns whose number depends on the object of a prepositional phrase following it. So same feedback. Any of those. Any of those nail. But sometimes question can have error. This one I don't know how to explain. Any. Okay. Let any of those nail. Okay. Yeah, 10 is also wrong. Yeah, all other thing is correct. Yeah, see, few. Few is also considered as plural. Okay. Few is plural. Yeah. Yeah, I can save it as PDF and okay. Okay, click here to take the test. Okay, this may be I don't know. This is for school children or for okay topics. First, second, fifth grade. This may be very simple. Okay, anyway, you just try.
My brothers
Which
play.
one? Play, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The other kids on the team days to my school.
Yeah.
Go.
Go, right? The other go, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Other kids is plural. Okay, go. And next one.
Where these are my new socks. Are.
Okay, where are my socks? Good.
Everyone is going to be the big game.
Okay.
My sister, who is very smart,
Mhm.
getting a scholarship,
Yeah, my sister.
is
Yeah, who is very smart, right? Okay. And next one.
his parents play bridge every Tuesday.
Yeah, play. Okay.
The shoes in that store
Yeah, shoe,
are
shoe, shoe.
expensive.
Yeah, the shoe, shoe,
Shoes
shoe. Yeah, shoes in that store.
are.
Yeah, are. Okay.
When is Miranda going to the beach? Is.
Okay, when is, yeah. Okay.
Does anybody knows when our reports are due? Second option.
No, no, no. So this is an interrogative sentence, right? Does anybody? So there is does already came. Okay, then we cannot use knows. Only the root form can be used. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So no, no is the answer. Does anybody know? We cannot use knows. This is not a statement. This is an interrogative sentence. Okay? Yeah. Carlos.
Darius is one of those people
Mm.
who is good at all the sports. Is
Yeah. Yes.
my best friend goes to a different school.
Okay.
One of my teachers is getting married. Is
Okay. Yes.
there is no good reasons for doing that. Is
There is no good reasons.
are no good.
Yeah, yeah. Reasons plural, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
There are no good reasons. Are. Okay.
Anything you taste to do will help.
Yeah. Anything you.
Want.
Yeah. Anything you want. Okay. Last one.
My dog is one of those crazy dogs who chases sticks all day. First option.
Yeah. My dog is one of those crazy dogs. Who? Okay. We are talking about my dog. No. My dog is one of those crazy dogs who you what did you say? Who chases or chase?
Chases.
A option A.
First option.
No, here dogs. Okay, this relative pronoun is relative pronoun will come just after the noun. We cannot use this relative pronoun to relate this dog, my dog. Okay, we cannot place relative pronoun anywhere, so there is a place. It will come right after the nouns, which has to be relativized. So dogs, here dogs is a dogs noun, so this relative pronoun is talking about this dogs. So dogs is plural, so chase. Okay, one, I don't, wow. Okay, last one got wrong. Okay, then my explanation is wrong. Okay, what was the sentence? My dog is one of the crazy dogs who chases. Okay, my dog is one of the crazy dogs who.
You can click on review option.
Uh, yeah, yeah, chases. Okay, my logic was wrong. Uh, okay, um, I'm thinking how. My dog was one of those dogs who crazy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Maybe 10 are there. Okay, try this one.
The furniture is mostly old. Is
Yeah, furniture is mostly old. Okay. Then,
mathematics is my favorite subject.
okay.
Is
Some students,
some of the students in my class test envy. They did not pass. Where?
yeah, some students were, okay.
There test the president and his wife. Go.
Okay. Yeah, there go the president and his wife. There go, right? Here comes the bus. So like that we can make sentences. There goes. There goes my friend. My friend is singular, so there goes. So here president and his wife, there go. Okay. Then the boy with the goofy friends.
There's a lottery ticket every day. Buy. Buys.
Yeah, buys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buys with the goofy friends. But the boy only doing. The boy buys.
Yes.
Okay.
The teacher's clothes based out of fashion. Was.
Yeah, clothes wear, right? Clothes was or wear?
Was.
Was. Why?
The teacher's clothes. Sorry.
Huh?
Were.
Huh?
Where?
Yeah, clothes.
Second option.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, plural.
Plural, yeah.
McDonald's is an example of fine American eatery.
Mhm.
Is.
McDonald's is okay because that is considered as one unit. McDonald's, it's a company name.
The French taste a lot of junk food. Eat.
Eat or eats?
Eats.
Actually, here the French stands for the French people, maybe. In that case, it is plural.
Dance people.
Yeah, yeah. So eat may be the answer, but if we take as the third person singular, then eats. But I think it's the French stands for the whole French people. I think so. If it is wrong, no problem.
The United States.
Yeah, the United States.
The United States is bordered by Canada and Mexico.
Mhm.
Is.
Yeah, the United States is a country name, so it's considered as singular. Okay.
There's a crazy amount of money under the sofa cushion.
Mm-hmm. Which there is
Are.
or
Are.
there are. Okay. Finish. Oh, one is wrong. I don't know. What is that? Okay. Yeah, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is correct. That is correct. 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 Yeah, French people eat. Okay, that is correct. Eats. Oh, last one. There is a crazy amount of money. Okay, there is a crazy amount of money under the sofa cushion. Is the answer. Okay. We will come to that later. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, choose one answer.
The view from our roof was beautiful. The view from our roof were beautiful. First option.
Okay. Uh, okay, nice work. Next question.
I remembers when milk was 25 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Remember when milk was 25 cents. B.
Yes. Okay. Third one.
It looks like the clock am brown. It looks like the clock is brown. Broken.
Broken.
B.
Yeah. B. Okay. I think this is very simple. Nice work. Okay, last one.
Dogs like cheese, right? Dogs like cheese. B.
B, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is correct. Oh, what happened? I stopped sharing. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the screen is not visible.
Okay, okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, try this one.
The price of these jeans are.
Okay, the price of these jeans is, right? Okay, the price of these jeans is. Okay, actually answer is there. We will check. Okay, okay, and now you tell me the book borrowed from the library. Okay, you read and tell me the answer.
The books borrowed from the library based on my test
Hmm.
are.
Okay, yeah. R. And third one.
The boy who won the two medals
Mm-hmm.
is a friend of mine.
Is. Okay. Fourth one.
Bread and butter is our daily food.
Good. Fifth one.
The famous singer and the composer have arrived.
Yes. Oh, no. The famous singer actually has. Why? Famous singer and composer are not two persons. Okay, the famous singer and composer, he is the only one person. Okay, he is both singer and composer. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, has. 6.
Collecting matchboxes is one of his favorite pastime.
Collecting. Okay, collecting is the noun subject, so it agrees with collecting. Okay, not with the matchboxes.
The, quali-
Mhm.
the quality of candies is poor.
Yes, because we are talking about quality, not of quality is the noun here. No, subject. The quality of the candies. So that means quality. We are considering quality. We are not considering candies because this is there is an off construction here. So quality of the candies. So quality is poor. Okay, seventh, eighth one.
Neither his father nor his mother plays mahjong.
Yeah, place. Okay. Ninth one.
Neither parent is.
Yes. Neither is considered as singular. Tenth one.
None of my friends was there.
Good. 11.
Many A students they made the mistake.
Hmm.
Have
Yes. Plural. Oh. Many a student. But, yeah. Many a student. Yeah. Uh, Many a student has made the same mistake. Yeah, not many students, many a student. Okay, you just note it down, this one. This may be considered as singular. Many a student has. Okay, next one.
gold as well as platinum has recently risen in price.
Yes, singular, right? Has. Okay, 13.
The boss at his colleges has.
Um, which one? 13, right?
Yeah, has.
Yeah, what did you say?
Has.
As well as his colleagues. Yeah, has. 14.
10 tons is a heavy load.
10 ton, not ton, ton. 10 tons. Yeah, 10.
10 tons heavy load
Yeah, 10 tons.
is.
Yes. 15.
Miles is a long distance.
50 miles is a long distance. Okay. 16.
30 years is a long time.
Good. 17.
One of the ships has been missing.
Good. 18.
The poor is suffering.
No, actually, here the poor. If you when we use the definite article the with the French, the poor, okay, the Indian, okay, the rich. If we are talking about the rich, that means it is talking about a whole rich people. Okay, so the poor means uh, the whole all the poor people. Okay, so if that is a rule, definite article plus this kind of adjective the poor, the rich, the French, all are considered as plural. Okay, please remember this one. Okay, 19th.
You should decide which one of the three choices A, B, C best answer the question.
Yeah. Which one?
Search. Answers.
Okay. Answers. Okay, and 20.
One of the most intelligent students who score full marks is John.
Score or scores?
Scores.
Yeah, scores, right? Oh, here it is written score. So this is the doubt that I was having with the my dog is one of the crazy dogs who. Okay, my explanation was dogs is plural, so verb will also be plural. But here that my explanation works here. So here one of the most intelligent students, so because that is a logical way, logical not logical, that's a grammatical way, because the relative pronoun will always have something to do with the noun which is very closer to that relative pronoun. So students is plural, so that is why score. This explanation I used there, but in that accuse my explanation didn't work, because these all are online tests. We cannot trust all. If we don't know grammar very well, then we will be uh, derailed. Okay, and full marks.
Is.
One of the most intelligent students who score full marks is or are? Is, right?
Is.
Yes, good. 21.
The only one of these most intelligent students who are under 18 is better.
Very good. Here that rule didn't work. The only one of these most intelligent students who is under 18 is Peter.
Is better.
Oh,
Peter.
Peter. Okay. Here, one of the most intelligent students, intelligent students who, but I think here this may be wrong. Here, scores may be the right answer. One of the most, one of the most,
Who's one who's no?
huh?
Who's one always goes singular, no?
Yeah, one of is considered as singular. The only one of these. But 20 and 21, same construction.
Yes, sir. 22 is also the same construction.
Yeah. Then one of the most intelligent students um, then students who is, because here is this only one, that is why here singular, but here score. If this is the rule, then here it scores, it should be scores. Okay, just I will explore that one. Okay, last one of these most intelligent students whose
The
example,
example is me.
okay, is being followed.
His father is John.
Yeah, okay. And here I think scores, I'm not sure. Okay, we will finish. We will stop the class. It's almost. Okay, 8 is there. Okay, just please just go ahead and try very fast.
The crow at the cottage
You
crow.
yeah, you don't need to read it out. You just tell the answer. A or B.
B.
Okay. And second one.
B.
Okay. Third one.
A.
Okay. It's a collective noun, right? And fourth one.
B.
B. Okay. And fifth.
Shops. A.
The one with all the cats. Shops. Okay. And sixth. The musket
B.
has. Okay. 7.
A.
8.
B.
Okay. You got 8 out of 8. Okay. You have 8 out of 8 answers correct. Okay. Actually, this is a there, there is, there are quiz. If you want to, yeah, anyway, I think how many? Only 10. Okay, just try it.
Is.
Okay. Second one.
R.
Okay. And third one.
R.
There are many options. Okay. And fourth one.
Is.
Yes.
R.
Okay. 6.
Is.
Okay.
Isn't.
Yes. There isn't any wine left. Okay. 8.
Is.
I am hungry. Is there any apples? Apples, right? Plural. But any apples, right? Yeah. Is there? Yeah. Is there? Is the correct answer? Okay. Is there any apples? Any apple? Apples. Just 1 second. Okay. 9.
There is.
Yes. Okay. 10.
There are.
Yeah. Check. What happened? Oh, your score is 80. Where did we? Okay, we'll check the answer. Okay, first one is correct. Second one R. Okay, and third is also R. And fourth one is. Okay, 5. 5R. Okay, and 6 is. Okay, that is correct. 6 is, and 7 isn't. Yeah, 7 is not, and 8. Yeah, 8 is R. Okay, why?
Apple.
Yeah,
Plural.
apples. Yeah. Okay, and 9. There is 9. Okay, 10 is also. There is coffee, tea, juice to drink. Not there are. Okay, here there is coffee, comma, tea. So actually some rules we cannot explain it because it's the English people, this some are very natural. For the English people, that is a natural thing. So we have to accept it as a rule. Sometimes we cannot explain it why it is. So okay. So there is the answer. Okay, there is, and here there are. Okay, now we will check the answer. Okay, 100%. Okay, bye bye.